name's Cathal from a company called Glendun Group. We're a contract crushing and screening business based in southeast Queensland. We do a lot of work all over Australia. Our main goal, we just crush rock. We've took the Caterpillar machines on board last year. The 773 rebuild that come about through the initial consultation of buying the new machines through Jack, and we got introduced to Nathan, you know, and he come on board and he offered us a rebuild solution for a machine that we thought we might have to sell. So look, the journey of doing that was seamless from the start to finish. They said it was going to be done in X amount of days. It was done within those days, delivered back to site, and we've had no problems with it since. That process was just seamless from start to finish.
So we completed a CPT+H, which is a certified powertrain and hydraulic rebuild, which is everything from engine, transmission, torque converter, wheel ends, diff rebuild. We completed that with a Cat reman strategy. So as the truck rolled in to the workshop, the components were there sitting on the floor as an exchange program. This worked really well with the Glendun strategy. When the truck's not out on site, it's not earning money. So we were able to try and minimize the downtime of that truck. We wanted to understand how Hastings Deering could help make their business more efficient.
For what we do being a contractor, reliability is everything. Look, the reliability, the safety and the support that we get from the Hastings Deering's guys. Look, the service is second to none. We've never seen it before from anybody else. Overall, Glendun as a whole, look, we're extremely happy with Hastings Deering. You know, from the initial doing the deal and getting the jobs done to delivery to support, you know, they look after us all the way through. As long as they keep doing what they're doing, we're happy.